Today we'll continue further and talk about a degree and a radian, a little bit one more concept. Now this 1 degree, try to understand this concept. 1 degree is very small measurement. This is nothing but 1 degree is very small measurement. Okay, I'm just going to explore that this much. This is nothing but actually 1 degree. So time being you can think about 1 degree will be like this. Now what I am asking you to draw 59 lines over here, 59 lines, so that this will be divided into 60 equal parts. That each part, I think this is very difficult to view by your naked eyes. It is very difficult. So each part is called as minute. So 1 degree will be equal to 60 minutes. Now next part is nothing but 1 minute only. 1 minute, can you imagine? Just this is now the imagine test. One minute is there in front of your eye, and again you are going to draw 60 more lines and getting it. This is nothing but called as 60 seconds. So this is one more conversion you should know. Now you may be asking about why? Because sometimes it will be asked 124 by 5 degree. This is given to you, and you want to understand how much this angle is. Now 125 degree, if you want to answer, this is to be done like this. 124 I am writing over here. This is in degree divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. It will be 24. 5 4s are 20. Now do not put their decimal point and solve. What is the remainder? Remainder is 4. Now this 4 is to be brought over here. This is 4 is degree. But now this degree is to be brought and convert. This is the degree over here. Now 4 degree you cannot divide into 5 equal parts. But you know that 4 degree will be nothing but 240 minutes. Now you can divide by 5. Again 5 4s are 20 and 40. 5 8s are 40. So this means that 24 degree and 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Likewise one more problem. 222 by 7 degree. This is nothing but what? Now 222 I am writing, 7 I am dividing. This is degree. 7 3s are 21. Now again 1 is left. 7 1s are 7. Now 5 is left. Now this division is not possible here. So the 5 is to be brought over here. Now 5 presently what? Degree. So degree will be now converted into minutes. 5 degree. How many minutes? 300. Okay. Now divide by 7. 7 4s are 28. 28. Left is 20. 7 2s are 14. Left is 6. Now this is 6 minutes. Now you cannot divide. So 6 is to be brought over here. Again what? 6 7s are 420 seconds. Now again divided by 7 6 are 42. One more 0. So this information is degree. This information is minute. This information is second. Sorry, somewhere I am going wrong. 6 6 are 36 over here. It is 6 6 are 36. So 7 5s are 35. Now 10 is left. One more time it can be done. Now further, I think it cannot be possible here. 3 is left. You are supposed to stop here. So your answer will be 31 degree over here, 42 minutes and 51 seconds. Likewise, if something is given like this, 5 degree, 12 minutes and say it is 30 seconds, you can convert this information into degree also. How? It can be written as 5 degree plus 12 minutes. I am just writing. It will be 30 by 60. Do you know why I am doing? 30 by 60 is converted into now minutes. Now this is nothing but half. This half is added over here. So it will be 5 degree plus 12 minutes plus half. This addition is not possible. Now but here you can add. It will be nothing but 5 degree plus 25 by 2 minutes. Now this also addition is not possible. Now what I can do? 5 degrees I will be keeping as it is. It will be 25 by 2. Again it will be divided by 60. so that it will be converted into degree. Now you can simplify this. 5 5s are 5 12s are. So what I am getting, it will be 5 degree plus 5 by 24 degree. 5 by 24 degree. Now you can simplify. The whole answer is coming in a degree. So this is interconversion I am talking about. LCM will be 24. Now 24 over here into 5 and plus 5 will be added. Over here you will get 125 degree. Suppose someone is asking to simplify 125 by degree 24 by this method, you will be getting your answer 5 degree, 12 minutes and 30 seconds. So this interconversion you should know. Sometimes no, the answer in the previous question, if you remember the last class, we have left our answer in this form. It will be 25 by 18. 25 by 18. This can be simplified. If you want degrees and all, you can just apply the same procedure and get the solution. How many degrees, how many minutes, and so on. Okay. Now see this remark. Here we have written 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. I can write here it is 0. I can write pi by 6. Over here pi by 4. It will be pi by 3. Over here it is pi by 2. Make a habit of understanding the same thing in a radian form also. Okay. So you can update this in your notebook there only. Therefore few more remark which is going to be same. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta will be equal to sec square theta. Again 1 plus cot square theta will be equal to cosec square theta. This is not going to be changed. This will be same. Tan and cot already you have written. 1 by sin is nothing but cosec. And 1 by cos is nothing but sec. So this all remark will be as it is. This all remarks will be as it is. Okay. So next time also this table will come and this values will not be there, and then I will be adding few more values over here and showing something. Let us look at this unit circle. Meaning of the unit circle is nothing but the radius is 1. So definitely this will be 0, 1. Over here it will be 0, 1. Sorry, it will be 1, 0. B will be 0, 1. The point C will be nothing but minus 1, 0. And the D will be nothing but 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. Okay, these 4 points. This is very useful figure which will help you to get the many remarks easily. Okay. Now, I am going to mark one point here. And it is connected with this one. This part is nothing but theta. Suppose I am asking you O, this point is say P and coming down over here. Any point in the xy axis is nothing but we can call it as x, y. Okay. Now, if you look at this one, D is the point. D is over here. E I am writing. Now, what is sine of theta in the picture? What is sine theta? PA. Agree, no? Now, this PE, this height is nothing but y. Do you agree? And OP will be nothing but 1. So, y value. And what is cos of theta? Cos of theta is nothing but x. Are you following this point carefully? So the point P which we have written, it is nothing but, it will be always x will be cos theta. So I should write here cos theta, and this is nothing but sin theta. This is nothing but sin theta. Okay. Now, most important remark which I am sharing. Let us time being you consider that P point is not here. If P point comes to A, if P approaches to A, then theta will tends to 0. Are you agree? And in case P approaches to B, P if it is approaches to B, then theta will be equal to 90. 90 we are writing it is as pi by 2. Do you agree for this? Because I am talking about these 2 points. If P comes to A, then theta will be 0. Theta will be 0. P comes to A, theta will be 0. Cos of 0 will be equal to 1. Are you getting? Cos of 0 will be equal to 1. Sin of 0 will be equal to 0. Sin of 0 will be equal to 0. This is 0 degree. Okay. This is whenever P is coming to A. P is coming to A. If P comes to B, then angle will be what? 90. We talked about 90. Then first value always give you cos. Cos 90. 0 and sine of 90 is nothing but 1. Now P comes to C. What is the angle? P comes to A. Here it is 180. So cos of 180 is written as pi. Cos pi, first cos value is -1. Sin pi, it will be 0. Now if the P comes to the D, P this point initially it is coming and over here D, then it will be 270. 270 is written as 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2, 0. Sin 3 pi by 2, -1. And if the P points start over here and rotate like this, it's come back to A again, then it will be cos of 2 pi. First cos I will get 1 and sin of 2 pi will be equal to 0. Sin of 2 pi will be equal to 0. So this information I am going to put in a table. Which table? I told you which is empty. Okay. What are the angles? 0, then pi by 2, then it will be 3 pi by 2, over here pi, then it will be 3 pi by 2, and this is nothing but 2 pi. Okay. Just can you tell me the sine value? Sine value is over here. Sine 0, then 1, then over here 0, then here -1, then it is 0. 0 pi pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2. Likewise cos value 0 over here 1, this is -1, 0 and 1. Okay. Now I told you last time I have just now explained these two things. Now your task is to complete this table and tell me in how many places you are getting not defined term. How many? Yes, how many places? Correct. 10 places you are getting not defined. So how to recall? You just remember this circle. You will get entire things. Now I am explaining the concept called as negative angle. Listen this point also carefully. I am just starting from here is OA. This ray is rotated till here to the point say B with this angle. This rotation is we know that it is nothing but theta. It will be, I think I should write x over here, it is y. Suppose you are moving in this direction, coming here it is minus theta, then you will be reaching at certain point C. The C point will be, this x component will be positive but y component will be negative. Okay. Now what we have seen earlier, it will be cos theta, over here sin theta. This is also cos of minus theta and sin of minus theta. Following this much? If theta is the angle, we are writing cos theta. Here minus theta is the angle, therefore we have written minus. So I am just picking up. What is sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta is nothing but minus y. Correct. And what is the value of y? Y will be equal to sin theta. Now cos of minus theta, what is the value of cos of minus theta? Is nothing but x. And what is the value of x? X is nothing but cos theta. So this is most important remark. Sin of minus theta is nothing but minus sin theta. And cos of minus theta is nothing but cos theta. This is most important. See, in trigonometry, mostly the collection of the formulas are there. We are going to add many formulas. So sin minus theta is minus sin theta, cos minus theta is cos theta. Can you write now tan of minus theta is what? Cosec of minus theta is what? Sec of minus theta is what? And cot of minus theta is what? You complete that part at your end. Because sin and cos is known to you, you can answer anything. Now, you may be asking what for we are learning this sin minus theta and cos minus. Someone can ask you what is sin of minus pi by tan of minus. What is tan of minus theta? Minus tan theta. It will be minus tan of pi by 6. What is pi by 6 means? Recall, pi is 180. 180 by 6, 30. So it will be minus 1 by root 3. What is sec of minus of pi by 2, sec of minus of pi by 2. Okay, sec of minus theta is nothing but sec theta. What is the value of sec pi by 2? Just now you have learned sec of pi by 2. If not recalling, then cos pi by 2. What is cos of pi by 2? 0. So it is nothing but defined. Now it will be cosec of minus pi by 3. Cosec minus theta is nothing but negative. It will be cosec pi by 3. If you are finding this is difficult, then you can write minus as it is and sin pi by 3. Sin of 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. It will be minus 2 by root 3. What is cos of, say, minus pi by 4? What is cos of minus theta? Minus cos. Is it minus cos? No, it will be plus cos. So it will give you 1 by root 2. So these formulas, what we have learned, it is helping in this way. So whenever I am just explaining any new formula, then so apart from that also you should know what is tan of minus theta is nothing but minus tan theta. Cosec of minus theta is nothing but minus cosec theta. Sec of minus theta is nothing but sec theta, and cot of minus theta is nothing but minus of cot of theta. So whenever you wish to get the negative angles somewhere in any question, if negative values are there, then better to use this remark and get the values, because positive values are known to you, negative value you can easily get it. Someone may ask you what is sin of minus 180 degree also, because sin of 180 degree is known to you, sin of minus 180. Someone may ask you what is tan of minus 375 degree, because 275 degree. Whatever it is positive is known to you, negative you can get it. Okay, so this way we are concluding this discussion today.